Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida. Guys, I am standing on board the first of these that we've ever had at the store. This is a 2024 Saxdor 320 GTO. In the 32-foot class, this boat brings so many unique things that I don't think we can get into them on a video. But, like we always do, starting at the back, these are V8s from Mercury, these are 300s, and they have joystick piloting. What makes these boats very unique is their maneuverability. In addition to the joystick, these boats can be optioned with a factory bow thruster. They will absolutely spin on a dime and make you feel incredibly comfortable when you're in tight confines, just like my basin can be here. Another incredibly unique feature is right next to my leg. Guys, this boat has terraces on both sides. That is very unique in this class size. Really expands the back of this boat, and from the way I have the chairs currently laid out, you can see that this was designed to party, to relax, to enjoy the back of this boat. And I have to point out, very thick teak table from Saxdor. It is a nice looking piece with care that will last you a very long time. In front of this secondary bench, and Saxdor did try to put this seating on a center line, it makes all of your guests feel comfortable when it comes to the roll of boats, which is what brings on seasickness. When you're sitting on the center line, not the edges, you move a lot less, and that's something they thought well through. Guys, they even put a small summer kitchen here in the middle. Kenyon grill, like you find on azimuths and galleons, a great stainless steel sink, really good cup holders, and of course your helm. You've got a triple wide helm with a center steering section. This is something that people are really going to enjoy as they're driving. You step down into a tray, but you have great visibility. This boat has low, sleek lines. You have killer visibility here, and they packed it full of tech. You've got all of your usual accoutrements from Mercury, as well as that bow thruster from Slipner, and you actually have auto tabs here. You've got a fully integrated glass cockpit with twin Simrad screens, serviceable here, and something we're just starting to see pop in, you've got inductive charging. Guys, it's small, but Lord have mercy, it's so nice to be able to tuck this out of the weather, top of that inductive charging, and off to the races you go. Of course, a 32 wouldn't be complete without a cabin. This has a double wide berth, roughly equivalent to a queen. It also has a very innovative bathroom that doesn't eat up a ton of space, but gives you a good private place with a closing wood door to get out of the way. You have stereo controls, breaker panels, and they did a fantastic job with natural light, keeping that cockpit, or keeping that berth open and airy. Guys, we're going to head forward and check out the last piece. So much these days, clients are demanding some bow, some area that they can get in the sun, relax, and enjoy. That is here on the 32 Saxdor. You have the ability to put a sunshade. You can lay out on a really, really comfortable lounge that has hatch access underneath for your cabins. Guys, what a cool spot to point and kind of hang out, spend a little time. I have to point this out though. Saxdor gives us the option to put a solar panel on the roof of these boats. When you put that in conjunction with the inverter, the battery system that replaces a generator on this boat, really innovative tech here. Guys, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, and this is our 32 Saxdor 2024. Give us a shout. We'd love to show you more of the features.